welcome everybody to the first episode of Coco Time with Emin, Janzeeb, and the gorgeous, the super talented, and the super fit Kiran Malik.
Hi.
How are you, Kiran? How's it going? How's Dubai?
Good. Not bad. हमारे restrictions थोड़ी कम हो गई हैं, so we are allowed to step out for a bit. So
that's good.
About it.
That's good.
Right?
Wonderful. Acha, Kiran, the first question that I want to ask you, बचपन पे कभी दरख्त पे तो चढ़ी होगी?
I will bring the bell of shame for you.
Oh, you have a bell of shame. I love it. There is a bell of shame.
आप सांस क्यों लेते हैं?
Look at her. She's on a roll as well.
Yeah. कभी प्यार तो हुआ होगा.
हाँ, कभी तो प्यार हुआ होगा. स्कूल कभी गई थी.
नहीं, स्ट्रोक ऑफ लक के बड़ी हो गई और इधर आ गई हूँ.
Very nice.
So guys, after this, let's just Kiran, I want to talk to you about this success ki journey, this coming into the limelight. You've always been a part of the fashion world in one way or the other, but then suddenly Pinky Memsaab comes on, and there's this gorgeous woman who is acting like she's been doing it all her life. Kya scene? What's the story?
Well, I've never learned acting, but I guess no one needs to learn acting. With experience, you get better and better. I wouldn't say that I don't even consider being a good actor. I'm still learning. But from day one, even when I got picked by Shan to do a film, I just didn't say yes just like that. I was very reluctant on listening to the script. It took a while for him to convince me, या Pinky Memsaab के लिए भी. But Pinky Memsaab का ये है कि I met Shazia, our director, and while she was walking in that cafe, I just knew that I am doing her film. Your body language, everything about that woman was just like, she will make up a good project. And I was like, आप मुझे थोड़ा सा narrate कर दो. If the subject is good, I'm in it. And the subject was amazing. It was very relatable. It's not just about Dubai. Expats all over the world, right? Don't consider that आप Dubai में रहते हैं. And I am an expat myself. So half of the things which Meher is doing in the film is very much us. So
I know.
I think we have all been Meher at some point in our lives, throwing things and whatnot.
I'm glad that's all you remember about Meher Janzeeb.
मीरा को भी काफी लताड़ा है उसने. हाँ.
Yes, काफी ज़्यादा.
I love it. मेरा personal favorite है वो.
लताड़ा किया आपने उसका.
I guess.
मैं यही पूछने की fact लगी थी about Meher and Meher का character and how it relates to you. But of course, as you've said it, कि बहुत ज़्यादा we've all been Meher somewhere in our lives, right? बहुत relatable. The fact that Indie cinema is actually coming to Pakistan is gorgeous. Because अब तक we were all about big budgets and like A-listers.
We still are. I don't think. I still remember we were struggling to get our film watched by even 10% of the awam basically. हमारे लिए सिनेमा में फिल्म लगाना मुश्किल था. हम फिल्म जब लेके भी गए, लोगों ने रिजेक्ट कर दिया. Just because it's an indie film, people are still not accepting the fact that indie films can be more relatable and can actually do a really good business.
But the fact that Netflix picked it up and then it turned into like an overnight hit, that was wonderful.
Yes.
That was guilty of watching it on Netflix.
Yeah, it was picked up in like 3 months when it got
wonderful.
Released.
That's wonderful.
So the casting for it, I think, and we've spoken about this before as well. I think you were in a coffee shop where you ran into Shan and then you just sort of.
Yeah. It was just a fan moment for me. He was sitting in Xander's in Karachi. I went with Bilal. Bilal Ashraf is a dear friend of mine, and he said कि मैं शान भाई आए हैं उनको मिलने जा रहा हूँ. मैंने कहा शान शाहिद हो चलो भाई मैं भी आ रही. I was like I'm fangirl with you, and I just went, and luckily that day he was sitting with a very dear friend of mine from London called Hamad Chaudhary. Or I saw Hamad sitting with Shan, so I was like, I went to see him, and then he introduced me to Shan, etc., etc. And then the guy said, why don't you sit with us and have coffee? Anyhow, I was sitting, and मुझे बातें करने का बहुत शौक है, तो मैं गप्पे मारती रही. और after like an hour or so, I came back, and then Hamad called me, and he said, Shan, तुमसे बात करना चाह रहा है. I was like, okay, fine. And he said, do you want, have you acted before? I said, never. And he said, well, I'm casting for my new film, and you would really suit that character. I don't need to do any auditions. So I was very happy, but I said, I work and blah, blah, blah. And he said, just meet me tomorrow. I'll go through few things, and that was it. And I didn't give any audition, and yeah.
That's amazing.
The God has been kind.
Do you know one similar?
I think हर एक का एक magic का moment होता है, Kiran. And for you to really discover your own sort of this talent as well, apart from many others that you have, it was your moment. और कुछ नहीं कहा जा सकता इसके बारे में.
That's why I said God has been kind, because ना मैं उस Xanders, ना मैं बिलाल को मिलती, ना मैं fan moment में जाकर तस्वीर खिंचाती.
So Kiran, this one sitting with us, Emin. So Emin and I, we work together as well at Konglo, which is our advertising agency, and we work out of collabs. So एक दिन मुझे भी एक phone आया, which was like, jaldi karo, collabs aao, QB is here, Kurutal and Baloch, and she wants to jam with you. I had the biggest fan moment of my life, and I was like half asleep, dead in bed. And I woke up, and I literally rushed over there, and I texted the collab scene. I was like, guys, QB's there. You take her interview. और पूरी का पूरा मैंने scene create कर दिया. And turns out it was a prank by Emin. So mine was not as fruitful as yours. But चले होते हैं, ऐसे तो होते हैं.
कोई भी शर्म नहीं आई ना ये story यहाँ पे सुनाते हुए. Shame. Achha. So talking about you, Kiran, more of course more things will happen with this lockdown and everything. Bada standstill पे चीजें आई हुई हैं. But a little bird has told me that you are dabbling into more fun stuff. Comedy करेंगे आप. And there's a film.
A little bird also like Mujib, like Shami Saab and Najam Sethi Saab.
Sethi Saab, of course. मेरे अपने sources हैं.
I want to know about this bird more.
We'll talk about the bird off camera. Let Kiran answer the question.
Fine.
कुछ नहीं यार, बस after Pinky Meme Sab Zarar is inshallah releasing this year. I got a call from Faisal Qureshi. उन्होंने मेरा ख्याल है Pinky Meme Sab देखी थी मेरी, and then never worked with him in like आज तक कभी काम नहीं किया. He called me and he's like, I'm making a film. और again I said आप मुझे script भेज दें, आप मुझे script narrate कर दें. I really thoroughly enjoyed the script जो उन्होंने मुझे थोड़ी बहुत सुनाई. मैं समझ गई कि film बहुत, it's a clever comedy, it's not dirty comedy. So let me correct. So there's a difference between a clever comedy. So it's a lot of बड़े witty jokes हैं, लोगों को समझने में time लगेगा. ऐसे
Good.
हाँ. Or there are scenarios, and the whole film is according to those scenarios, right? It's not कि चार गाने डाल दिए, हर चीज एक लिहाज से, not just because I'm in the film. It's just that I haven't seen a comedy film like this before, and it's got really big names in it, and they've done superb job. Fawad is in it as well, and he has done a brilliant job. He's looking so good. And so I'm part of that project.
I am such a sucker for a good Fawad Khan, film drama.
No, it's a good film. I guess you guys will enjoy it. मजा आएगा तुम लोग.
That's lovely. That is lovely. और comedy के platform को लेकर आना and to actually do justice to it is so difficult. Of course, we wish you the best of luck for this upcoming amazing venture.
It's just that there has been so much slapstick humor up until now.
I know.
Like we need a smart comedy, and I'm so happy that you've actually worked on an intelligent comedy. I'm actually personally really looking forward to it. Acha guys, to all our viewers, please feel free to ask questions. We will we will request Kiran to answer all your questions if there are any. Acha ji, let's move on
before we move on though, मुझे एक छोटा सा सवाल किरण से, because I've been with this lockdown and everything, I've been following her Instagram quite a lot, and I see all these fitness videos. Like, what's that about, dude? Like, how amazing are you? Or kya, what is this fitness thing about? Is it a newfound thing? Have you always had it? Kya scene hai?
Yeah, kuch nahi. I like going, keeping myself fit. And because of the lockdown, we are not allowed to go to the gym. We are not allowed to go outside. I live in an apartment, so there's not much to do. So I normally every day in the morning, I try to do 15 to 20 minutes. I'm not doing any hardcore exercise. And then I was getting messages, right, from people कि आप अपना क्या करती हैं, क्या खाती हैं? मैं तो सब कुछ खाती हूँ, मैं पराठे भी खाती हूँ. उसमें जो मेरे close दोस्तों ने पता है, I'm a foodie. I'm a Lohari, so I love food.
So you're a foodie, obviously.
So then I was like, this actually can be very positive as well for if people are really looking forward to see that. So why, like, देखो मैं यहाँ बैठ के तो ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं सकती. So why can't I do this to keep, at least people entertained or make them look a bit motivated? Like I'm getting messages from girls saying, oh, I'm just breastfeeding my kid, and after seeing this, मैंने इसके बाद थोड़ी बहुत exercise करनी जो मैंने आपकी देखी. So that made me do more of that. I was like, that's amazing.
That is amazing.
So यहाँ से वो fitness journey शुरू हुई जब मुझे messages आए और मैंने कहा चलो let me start putting it on Instagram.
You keep doing this, Kiran. मैं भी शायद किसी दिन motivate हो जाऊँ to actually work. I will.
Do you guys know I have actually today is the first time that I worked out after God knows how many years.
Wow.
So yes.
Very good.
Yes. I'm kind of hysterical right now as well. मतलब मुझे butterflies
और
लाल spots नजर आ रहे हैं.
2-3 दिन बड़ा जहर लगेगा, उसके बाद खुद ही you'll miss it up then.
That's true. You get into the groove of it.
Start missing it.
Yeah.
अच्छा भाई pleasantries भी हो गई.
I did drink from this bottle, by the way, to all our viewers. Emin had actually prohibited me to drink from this bottle, but this is my favorite.
Plastic.
It's so nice, dude. I got it from Jalal San.
शीशे की बोतल ले लो.
नहीं, but look, recently because in quarantine I've been so. I've been so, of course, free in quarantine that I actually decided to read the label underneath this bottle. Yes, look, it's made in Turkey also. So I'm going to assume it's very high quality.
Automatically ये वहाँ पहुँच गई है because made in Turkey.
तो अब देखो, अब सोचेंगे, हम बैठ के सोफे पे सोचेंगे, आज हम फलानी जगह पहुँच जाते हैं, आज हम इटली से हो आते हैं ख्वाबों में.
ये आदमी टर्की की बोतल लेके खुश हो रहा है. चलो good. Whatever rocks your boat, man. अच्छा मुझे okay guys, we've had introductions, we've had a lot of conversations about Kiran and her celeblyhood. तो अब कुछ थोड़ी सी cerebral बातें करेंगे हम. Again, my other little birdie has told me that Kiran is an HR consultant, like the executioner, the person who everybody hates. She hires and fires.
Wow. Honestly, I think HR has to be. HR has to be the most hateable job.
No firing, please.
I'm sure you're very busy these days, Kiran.
Alhamdulillah, so far not.
Shameless.
Sorry, that was a very bad joke.
As long as मेरी नौकरी दे Allah.
That was a very bad joke, and I take it back. Okay, guys. So yes.
HR. Kiran ka job hai, and we decided, Jahzeb and I were having a conversation, and we said कि यार it's a difficult job overall to handle a lot of people, human resource को generally manage करना. You have to be diplomatic, you also have to be ruthless sometimes. So we came up with these fun scenarios where Kiran, you as an HR manager, how would you tackle these scenarios, right? So case number one is कि आप एक दफ्तर है, उसमें एक unfortunate आदमी या खातून है, you have a serious case of body odor. ठीक है, ये हर दफ्तर में होता है. You can hate it, you can love it, it happens to everyone. So this person, you've been receiving complaints as the HR manager, Kiran, कि यार इस आदमी औरत से बदबू आती है. How do you deal with one such sensitive situation?
देखो, अब ये sensitive भी है, but this is a very common situation happening in every office.
It is.
Right? Especially in the places like where we live, right? So I would first tell her to see, not all the time HR has to be on the front line to do all these things, right? They can be tackled by the individual himself or herself. So I would just say to his or her, I'll say कि तुम उसके साथ बैठती हो, इसका मतलब तुम्हारी बातचीत तो होती होगी, तो तुम पहले एक तरीके से making a coffee and you just say, आजकल गर्मी होगी है बड़ी, and I've heard that HR is actually saying that we should put this, and they are putting a notice on a notice board कि everyone has to
love it. आजकल गर्मी हो गई बड़ी.
समझ आए? So I will tell her to do it herself first and say कि भाई आप अपनी हाइजीन का बड़ा ख्याल रखना चाहिए. किरण से मैं सुन रही थी, वो कह रही है कि कोई नोटिस लगने लगा है. वो कहेगा आगे से किस चीज का नोटिस कि गर्मी आ गई है और सबको जो है सुबह everyone has to put a deodorant and they have to wash their hands and this and that. So if for example उसके बाद भी उनसे बोएं आती हैं तो फिर हम नोटिस बोर्ड पे लगा देंगे. हम जो put it, we say that hygiene is very important, so every individual who comes to the office make sure
this actually used to be an issue.
It's a necessity.
It's a necessity.
This used to be an issue at an office where Emin and I used to work together.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And Emin would always have, और ये सब कुछ हमने करके देख लिया था, but it was a futile effort. वो जो
वरना बदतमीज हो जॉइन में.
That is what she did. She would actually walk around with an air freshener in her pocket, और वो boy जब भी Emin को नजर आता था, she would start spraying air freshener at him.
God, just hearing it makes me sound like such a what. But necessity.
Because you spend the whole day there, right?
I know, right? Like you can't.
It's not rude. These are necessities. You don't need to just have a shower and just walk out and aapne naha liya, aap saaf suthre hain. These things are needed,
Absolutely.
Yes.
So that's in case number one. We have another case for you.
Acha.
And वो है कि यार most offices में either people dine out, lunch के लिए चले जाते हैं वो जो भी, but some people would like to bring their own food and there's probably like a pantry or a fridge where it's stored. Again, a lot of personal experience here, but एक office में एक ऐसा बंदा है जो सबका खाना खा जाता है. Like without being invited to this party, they just like they go and partake into everybody's food. So how do you deal with one such person?
So again, you have to be, with these things, you have to be just not rude, but if someone is coming and just putting their, spoon in your plate, you just say, I'm so sorry. You can bring a plate and I can give it to you, but इस तरह तुम नहीं खा सकते हो या खा सकती हो, क्योंकि मुझे एक बड़ा सा phobia है, मेरा खाना को share नहीं कर सकते. Just say it bluntly, right? Otherwise, give it a chance once or twice. जब तीसरी दफा जब वही बंदा दोबारा ने उसे कहना यार तू घर से खाना नहीं लेकर आता.
I love it. I would do this. Hand to heart, I would do this.
मेरे साथ 2-3 दफा हुआ है कि I don't like everyone picking up from my plate. So I'll just say यार अपनी plate ले आओ, I'll put it up, but just don't put your
बीच में ना.
I know.
Fair enough.
So that we have one more very quick scenario before we move on to our next segment, and that is
okay. By the way, this last scenario, can I just tell you? I have a friend in Karachi, and she works at an architecture firm, and she's an architect. So this is actually a real life scenario, and this happened post COVID, right? So this was after the coronavirus scare had come to Pakistan. M, please.
तो ऑफिस में ऑफ कोर्स जहाँ पे हाइजीन के इतने इश्यूज हैं, जहाँ पे जनरली लोगों को थोड़ा सा एक पर्सनल स्पेस का भी आई थिंक पीपल हैव नो मोस्ट पीपल हैव नो क्लू व्हाट पर्सनल स्पेस इज, राइट? तो उसको उन सारी हदों को फलांगते हुए देयर आर पीपल हु स्नीज, कॉफ, without covering their face. Or like, you know, probably like coughing into your arm or something, or a handkerchief if you're, you know, that way.
Yeah, but then, yeah, before COVID, this was nothing was,
and I've had this experience where there are people who have allergies, but obviously a real issue है यार. But तुम छींक रहे हो, and like I can see like, I don't know, mucus and shit coming out. No thanks.
My God! What?
It's true though, guys. It's true. Let's talk about the real issue.
Wow. Yes, it is true. So by the way, when this friend of mine, when this friend of mine was telling me that this had happened to her, she also mentioned, now that we're talking about mucus and shit and disgusting stuff, she said that the sneeze was followed by a very disgusting smell also. I think we're going to lose most of our viewers.
I would just give that person a tissue and say, "Yaar, agli dafa ye please isko istemal kar lena."
I love this woman. I love this woman. She says it as it is.
Yeah, because see, at work there are ethics, right? You have to keep that in mind. It's not your home. That's why you get ready and you go to work. So these are a certain what do you call it? What word would I exactly would use? Is
like basic etiquette.
Courtesies one needs to do.
Courtesy.
These have to be done. You have to sit properly at workplace. आप दफ्तर में ऐसे तो नहीं बैठे होंगे. तो आप दफ्तर में thinking तो नहीं आप 100 banda hai, you know, you have to keep those things in mind. Again, when it comes to order, you should keep that in mind that now they're open space, right? Open offices.
Yes.
So they're not, so you need to keep that in mind कि जब आप दफ्तर के लिए निकल रहे हैं तो आप पहले सोच के निकलें कि आप करने क्या जा रहे हैं, अगले बंदे की जिंदगी ना खराब करें.
Yes. You are right. By the way, someone called Solomon Seeker just commented saying, sounds like you are talking about Jahanzeb Chima. ठीक है यार, मतलब I have no idea who this person is. Then Anila Khan is saying very important topic yet disgusting. I think I agree with Anila Khan 100%. It is a very disgusting topic, but it's a very important to discuss.
Yes, but it's important and pertinent, guys, to talk about these things.
Yeah, because we don't talk about these things, and then
we don't.
It happens to us, then we get
brushed under some invisible rug. But point taken, yeah, let's not get disgusting. So we'll move on to our third, more fun, more the essence of this show wala segment, which is opinions. We're all born with them, some more than others. So opinion chahiye aapka, Kiran, on a few things. We see your Instagram. I stalk it quite regularly, shamelessly also, and I overall your pictures. So the fun part is that your captions are completely on point. So they're all like well thought out and put together. Yeah. So aaj we're shaking things up a bit. Jahanzeb, if you could share your screen and show some pictures of Kiran that we found.
So yeah, we actually took some snapshots from Pinky Memsa because like Emin said, Insta to aapka bahut perfect hai. Yeah, okay.
Sorry, my daughter asking again, mummy scene ho raha hai na, साथ साथ काम भी हो रहे हैं.
I love
nice. That's how it is. So मैं कह रहा था आपका Insta तो बहुत perfect है, of course. But then I want to show you these snapshots of yourself from Pinky Memsa.
Oh my God!
And I would like for you to caption them. Just one sec. थोड़ा technologically challenged हूँ मैं, so I just need to sort of figure out.
We can see it. Kiran, can you see it?
This picture?
मैं ये अवतारी से पहले मेरी शक्ल ये होती है खाना का.
So
रोटी दे दो.
I love it. Roti de do, perfect. I love roti de do. That's wonderful. Okay, let me move on to the next one, which is this. In this picture, what we see is you are holding up hair, which you have
गंदी
cut
बच्ची,
off.
देखो मैंने तुम्हारी जुओं वाले बाल उतार दिए.
But look at Hajra, she looks petrified. Like
Like anyone would be, यार वो बाल पकड़ के खड़ी हुई है.
But it looks like she's done it against her will. Like
it is actually the scene is कि उसका दिल नहीं होता कि उसके बाल कटे. And I'm giving her a new life, and I'm just saying that you need to come out of the whole, the village. So yeah. So अभी तो मैं अगर इसको if I have to put it, and it has to be funny, right? So I'll just say कि ये देखो तुम्हारी जितनी जुएं थी मैंने सब निकाल दी. बाली काट दी.
बाली काट दी.
खत्म.
ठीक है. Okay, let me move on to the next one.
Picture. Wow.
Perfect housewife.
Perfect housewife.
क्या बात है. क्या.
Oh भाई, you should see real like असल में अगर किसी housewife को इस तरह का दिखना हो ना तो फिर this is ready to go. ये तो this is too perfect.
This is the real Insta housewife, I think.
हाँ, the Insta housewife.
Okay, let me move on. This is one of my favorites. This one.
Oh. It's a mood.
It's a mood.
Oh,
it is a mood.
It's basically I can't be rude on that. It's like क्या हो गया ये कोरोना क्यों आया हमारी जिंदगी में?
Nice.
Actually,
I love it. And you would do it in the style of a monologue. Okay, let me move on to the last one, which is this one. I love this.
What the hell am I doing here? Okay.
So caption this.
For me, it's like कीड़े पड़े तुझे.
हाँ.
It's that face.
Actually, बिल्कुल सही. कीड़े पड़े.
I would caption this like, I'm sorry, excuse my language, but lakh lanat.
हाँ.
यार हम अभी भी live हैं, guys. Just saying.
So, which caption are you going to go for?
I think lakh.
I love it. Love it. Okay, wait. So how do I stop sharing this now? Acha, what's the next?
So the next one is, Kiran, you're the owner of a brand called Styleberry.
Yes.
You're a fashion icon. You always dress to the T. I have never seen a picture of you that looks with the hair out of place. Even in your sweats and everything, you have your, like, tumhe pata hai, right? You have everything, style is on point. And that's wonderful. So ab hum, because there are people around the world who have made a lot of fashion faux pas over their unfortunate lives. I feel like they're judged too harshly.
Guys, okay, let's not assume that they're fashion faux pas.
No, they could be a personal style statement also.
Yeah. So I think what I want to do is I just want to have a small discussion with Kiran on all of these looks that these wonderful people from around the world have put together. So let me just share my screen again. 1 second. There we go.
So Kiran, as the pictures roll, we would want you, Meera ji, she's my favorite. Meera ji, agar ye aap dekh rahi hain, to I would love to interview you someday. Achha.
I would love
to see that interview.
So what we see over here is Meera ji is sporting like a double-breasted jacket, and there is like a no. Oh my God! Stop! Who said that?
Me.
I love her candor.
नीचे there is a dhoti situation going on. Am I right?
Yeah, petticoat hai shayad.
I think
but
she
petticoat is supposed to have a sari over it.
I think she's wearing a dress. Is it?
Perhaps.
No, it's a dhoti.
Regardless of either she's wearing a sari or she's wearing a dress, why is she wearing this horrendous jacket, this coat?
Oh my God.
This coat.
इसको आग लगा दो मेरी तरफ.
Nice. Okay, that's a bit extreme, but sure. अच्छा जी. So arson कर लिया हमने. Let's move on to the next picture, which is Ranveer Singh. He wore this to the IFA Awards, I think.
For like half a minute.
Swoon over this, seriously, Em?
I mean, it's Ranveer, right? कुछ भी पहन सकता है यार.
See, I was just going to say one thing that, आप जो पहनते हो ना, you need to carry it off, right? There are only few people who can go like how he dressed up. He can carry it off. इसको कुछ भी पहना दो, he will look nice.
I agree.
कुछ भी पहना दो, he will carry it off because his personality comes out.
Okay.
So
you think the
obnoxious is his middle name?
And look at his body language right now. He's actually looking like, you know, those warriors, or you know, he's just. I like it.
He's owning it.
So you think the Khajur wali pony works?
हाँ बिल्कुल कर रही है इसके साथ अभी.
ठीक है. सही. Okay, let's move on to the next one.
Well, I would like to see my man dressed up like this, but right.
ठीक है, सही है.
Point taken.
Here we have Asim Azhar wearing a peach shirt with peach tie and what looks like a very, I don't know, like a, I think it was printed on a loop, his jacket. And there is a small black.
I don't see this pin on the, you know, the tie pin was not needed. I don't know. I might be
and
wrong.
Also so high up to bilkul wasn't needed.
It just was not needed. A tie pin for this was not needed at all. Okay, and I
the blazer. What do you think about the blazer?
Yeah, and you know, I think his pant color and his shirt color is different, right? There are two tones. One is dark and one is lighter.
Yeah.
I think that if he was wearing one shade of pants and shirt and then this jacket, it could have worked. But I don't like this.
Okay,
sorry.
Like it. Okay, wonderful. Okay, the next look was literally, it made headlines around the world, and I'll be fine. I will not skew your judgment, but I'm sure you've seen.
Please don't reveal.
There we go.
Bhoot Bangla.
Ouch!
Wow.
It's bad. It's bad.
It is.
Bad makeup. I don't understand. I'm not fashion critiques here, but it's just not nice to look at, right?
You
see something, you need to. आपको अच्छा तो लगना. I just don't like looking at this. I want to see somewhere else right now.
I don't think she likes looking at this either, but obviously anything.
But she did. Before she was going.
जब हम छोटे थे ना, तो they used to be like these white out pens. I don't know if you remember them.
Blancos,
the Blanco.
The whole look, अगर ये बाल ना होते ना, तो फिर भी ठीक हो जाता. ये बाल, या ये बाल होते तो ये मेकअप ना होता, ये earrings ना होते.
वही ना, some things gotta give.
शायद कुछ भी ना होता तो ज़्यादा अच्छा होता. So this one friend of mine is like a diehard fan of Priyanka Chopra's, and I just got a message. It says, "How dare you all laugh at Priyanka?
How dare you all?
How dare you?"
Yeah, sorry, अगर हमने आपको offend किया.
Yes, there were her glory days. I think when she was Neha in Dostana. I think Desi Girl was her prime.
Desi Girl.
Then तो it just went downhill and then into the ground, और अब तो वो दुनिया की दूसरी तरफ से निकल रही है.
खैर अब तो वो एक और ही level हो गई.
Yeah. अच्छा जी, the last one is a homegrown celeb, and he is possibly one of the most fashionable people out there, and here goes.
Ali Shan.
Ali Shan,
a friend of mine.
Okay, so that's great. Good. But I want to know. What I want to know is how the hell is this not falling off his head? I mean,
again, not because he's a friend of mine. He is one of the only guys who can carry something like this as well, right?
I agree.
Because his body language, you know, the way he will, while he's dressed up, every attire what he wears, uski sabki mein body language change ho jati hai. So I remember this event very well. And मैंने उसको देखा था, मैंने कहा बाकी सब ठीक है, कुकर बहुत सर पे बड़ा लगा ली, थोड़ा छोटा.
But why is it falling? It's completely out there.
It's physics defying. It defies like the laws of gravity. Just look at it. Like if I don't know.
But like look at his face also. ये इतना कोई अच्छा screen.
His face.
This is not fashion. It's not fashion.
It's not fashion. But his face looks okay. So you know his face looks like there is like his head is normal.
और मैंने उससे ये भी पूछा कि ये कितनी भारी है.
हाँ,
like,
true.
Heavy,
Pertinent सवाल.
हाँ, and he said statement तो बना हूँ ना, देख सब मेरी तस्वीरें लेंगे. मैंने कहा बात
सही
तो
बात.
सही थी.
सही बात.
Good. So that he did. That he did successfully. Very, very successfully. Anyways, so let's move on with the show.
We have a little game for Kiran here. Not for Kiran as much as Jahanzeb और मैं, क्योंकि हम बहुत bored हैं घर पे और हम competitive भी दोनों काफी ज़्यादा हैं. So we decided to play a game called Taboo. Kiran, have you played Taboo before?
Yeah.
So this is Taboo, but it's like a much easier version of Taboo. And because we are so self-obsessed, I think Emin and I are going to play it between ourselves, and you, Kiran, can be the judge.
And Kiran, you are going to assist both of us, and whoever may the best woman win. But yeah, but you will assist us in guessing whatever each of us is.
Okay, so how this will work is I have prepared 15 cards. And Emin has prepared 15 cards. Each card has a word on it. And one of us is going to be blindfolded. And he or she will be guessing. Or Kiran, aap guess karwaengi. And we will have, how long? 1 minute or 90 seconds?
1 minute, I think.
Okay, fine. So we will have 1 minute. So who's going to set a timer? I don't, we should have thought this through.
I'll set a timer.
I'll set a timer. I'm being blindfolded first.
हाँ.
Okay, so basically the game is 1 minute में ज़्यादा मैं guess करूँगा या Emin guess करेगी.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. So I've gotten my wife's blindfold over here, which we got from Miniso.
How cute!
Just need the picture.
It's not cute. You know what I have? I have that sleeping mask that Thai Airways gives.
Oh my god, I think we need bed more. I think Conglo needs more campaigns. Anyways, let me put this on. Okay, so tell me when my time starts, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
All right.
Okay.
Are you sure you're blindfolded? तुम्हें नजर तो नहीं आ रहा ना नीचे से?
नहीं आ रहा.
पक्की बात है?
Yes.
अच्छा चलो, मैं तो फिर दोनों की हेल्प करूंगी. चलो.
अच्छा wait. Are there passes? Are passes allowed?
हाँ, passes are allowed.
How many? 3 passes.
3.
Okay, I think that's fair. हाँ. ठीक है.
ठीक है. So your time begins now.
Oh God. चीनी से कुछ सब्जी बने तो क्या होगा?
चीनी से सब्जी बने?
चीनी और बताओ कुछ सब्जी बनाओ.
Sugar cane, गन्ना.
सुनो, चीनी टाइप पर सब्जी, अंग्रेजी में उसको
चीनी टाइप सब्जी, sugar, vegetables, what?
हाँ, it's a vegetable.
It's a vegetable, okay. Bhindi, tori, kela, I don't. Pass.
All right, next one then.
मेरी बात सुनो, 1 second, Emin, क्या करेंगे? कैसे समझाऊं? कुछ भी नहीं, right? कैसे?
We have 1 minute. We have guys. I will lose.
चलो.
I have paused it. It's okay. अच्छा. Let's resume. The next word is.
Oh, मेरी बात सुनो, तुम्हारे कोई बच्चे हैं? बच्चों को क्या पहनाते हैं?
कपड़े, overalls, onesies.
बच्चे बाथरूम ना जा सके तो क्या करते हैं बच्चे? जल्दी बोलो.
Diaper, pamper.
शाबाश, बस हो गया.
Okay.
All right. Next one.
और वो जो अभी अली ज़ीशान ने सर पे पहना हुआ था मेरी जान.
Chicken hen, chicken hat.
हाँ, अब उर्दू में बोल देना. hen को क्या बोलेंगे उर्दू में?
मुर्गी, मुर्गा, कुकर.
शाबाश.
You got it. Oh, ये मेरा favorite है.
मैं एक औरत हूँ, तुम्हें समझ आई है क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? और मेरे राइट्स हैं.
Women rights, feminism. I don't know. I got it.
मेरे राइट्स पे बात. हाँ, बोलो. फेमिनिज्म से और क्या बनता है?
Feminist.
Got it.
Okay.
All right, last one probably because you're running out of time.
अच्छा. Oh my God, अब मैं कैसे समझाऊं? एक आंख बंद करके क्या करते हैं?
आंख मारते हैं.
Yes, उसको अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं?
Wink, wink, wink.
Time's up.
Wow,
Right.
guys.
So
And you
Jhanvi
picked. I can't believe the words I have made were so easy. And you
ये
have
भी easy
made.
है.
What was the first one?
Zucchini.
Zucchini.
What the hell? Who does that, Em? What's wrong with you?
हाँ ऐसे ही है. It is what it is.
It is what
So
it
you
is. Huh?
got 1, 2, 3, 4 correct and 1
And
pass.
2. हाँ, तो not bad.
No, I will lose, Kiran. Of course, it's bad.
भाई अभी let's see ना. Let's wait and see मैं क्या करती हूँ. Thai Airways mask
चलो जी.
Okay.
coming.
So Adhika, wait.
हाँ भाई. Can't see anything.
बेटा मैं अब एक सेकंड में मुश्किल वाले निकाल रहा हूँ इसमें से.
चलो. Great.
Okay.
धांधली है.
अरे निकाल रहा है.
मतलब I'm taking them out, so she has to guess.
So you can ask me those.
Right. Okay. So we're gonna start now. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, and I don't know how I should do this. Okay, go.
Okay. God, यार. Something to ends with art.
I think that's against the rules.
Fart. Start.
और mother. Art.
Kiran, you are cheating. You are so biased.
मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है भाई. क्या? Ends with art.
Art ends with art. Starts
हाँ.
with M.
I think you
Mother?
should pass this.
You should pass this, right? No, it starts with M, ends with art.
What? Pass.
Okay, so how long are we doing this?
यार ये
About a minute and a half किया.
Oh यार ये तुम क्या चीज हो? ये तुम क्या निकाल रहे हो? Okay, so Mr. Grey. Do you remember Mr. Grey?
Yeah, 50 Shades of Grey.
और आजकल उसके बगैर हम रह ही नहीं सकते. कोरोना में सबसे जरूरी क्या चीज है?
Mask?
सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के अलावा. हाँ, हाथों को क्या करती हो तुम?
Hand sanitizer.
या जल्दी.
3.
And we are done.
So, you know,
We're done. We're done.
Tokyo,
That's it. We're done.
Tokyo,
We're done.
Berlin.
भाई you got 1.5 minutes.
हाँ, so I gave you 1.5 minutes.
हाँ? इतना जल्दी?
अच्छा चलो बोल दो. टोक्यो, बर्लिन, क्या देखा है तुमने आजकल? टोक्यो कहाँ है? बर्लिन किधर है? स्पेन का एक सीरीज है. क्या है? Berlin, Tokyo, Professor.
Money Heist.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, well, that's it. That's it. So
it's 4 all.
No, it's not 4 all.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. And तुम्हें क्या हो गया? You
I guessed
got 3.
4, Baba.
You got 3
She
50
guessed
shades.
4 as well. हाँ.
No, 3. Oh, 3.
कैसे? उसने money
Oh,
heist
you
भी
also.
बोला है.
चलो ठीक है, we'll give it to the
50
man.
shades.
Okay.
50 shades. Money heist.
हाँ.
And hand sanitizer.
हाँ, एक और भी था.
There was Mozart, but you didn't guess that.
Oh, Mozart था. Who does
No, that's-
Mozart? अच्छा. Anyway,
I think I win.
fine. The
Thank
imaginary
you,
hamper
bro.
goes to you.
आप
Imaginary.
कॉफी विद करण पे नहीं आई हुई है.
आपका hamper.
There is no hampers
ये
here.
लीजिए.
Just good wishes. Just good vibes. Okay.
Lots of duas.
Yes, आपके लिए ढेर सारी दुआएं. अच्छा. So, let's move on.
हाँ. So the next segment will remind you of a lot of rapid fires and quick answers that you've done over other shows as well. मेरा favorite है ये. So we're going to quickly ask you a few questions, and I want you to, whatever comes to mind, very quickly answer. So the first question is fitness advice to the following. Ali Azmat.
आप साइकिल चलाते रहें, अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. You're 50 and he's looking good.
Meera.
मीरा जी, आप कोई अंग्रेजी की टीचर जरूर रखें.
That's fitness advice.
अच्छा, फिटनेस एडवाइस देनी है. अच्छा मीरा जी,
ये भी ठीक है.
अच्छा मीरा जी, आपकी मैं एक फिटनेस वीडियो जरूर देखना चाहूंगी.
Love it. हानिया आमिर.
हानिया आमिर, हंसते हंसते बस अपनी जिम करती रहा करें, अच्छी लगेंगी.
आसिम अजहर.
कोई बाइसेप शाइसेप बनाए, मतलब बेबी बॉय ना रहे.
I hope you're not watching this. So, Mahira, everybody loves, everybody knows. Mahira is a superstar. She's done very well for herself. So, and she's acted out in a lot of films and everything. Just very quickly tell me, Mahira Khan in Bin Roy or Mahira in Rais?
Mahira Roy, मुझे तो दोनों में
नहीं, got to pick one.
Can I be honest? On दोनों में average, और अगर Mahira was Mahira, तो वो superstar. That was Mahira Khan. There's no bigger superstar than Mahira Khan right now in Pakistan, and she proved it in Superstar. So for me, those films didn't do justice to her. Not at all.
Fair enough. Thank you. Acha, who's the better actor? You need to rank in order of priority. Mikael Zulfikar, Zahid Ahmed, Gohar Rashid, Fawad Khan.
From high to low, right?
Yeah, from high to low.
So it's Fawad, Mikael, Gohar. So Fawad first, Gohar second, Mikael, and then Zahid, right?
Fair enough.
I haven't seen Zahid, so I don't know much about him.
So you wouldn't know. That's fair. Alternative career choices for the following. Mahira Khan.
Oh, I love this. I want to know this.
Mahira Khan. Mahira Khan should be a businesswoman. She is amazing. She can be very successful.
Yeah, she's doing such a good job with Mashin, by the way. Mashin is a fantastic platform.
I'm a fan.
One of few clever people we have, and she's one of them. She can come up with good business plans, and I think she'll be doing an amazing job. So I think that should be it. A businesswoman.
Meera ji.
मीरा जी को अपना एक मैगजीन खोलना चाहिए. I would like to see what she'll write.
किस चीज का?
You stop, okay?
No, और तुम कह रही you stop and then you're like, what? You can't do that.
I will not. We will not say more.
Yeah.
Shan Shahid.
Shan Shahid should be in army.
In the army. Yeah, I would agree there. Umair Jaswal.
Umair Jaswal. He should, because he's a fitness freak, right? So he should be a fitness trainer.
Fair enough.
I didn't know that about him.
Usman Khalid Butt.
Yeah. He's got a very big gym he opened up in Islamabad.
Yeah. He did.
Nice.
Usman Khalid Butt.
Usman Khalid Butt. I don't know Usman that well. अभी वो एक्टर हैं, वो क्या बन सकते हैं? जो उनका
Usman is already so many things. Usman does so much anyway.
I don't know him now, so I don't know what to say. So
I'm a huge fan. He's real. He's a real guy. अच्छा, last. पता नहीं मैं क्यों इतनी excited हूँ इसके बारे में, but Urva and Mawra Hussain.
Together, they have to pick the same career.
Because they love wearing those puffy dresses, I think they should become a designer. And wear them all the time.
I've won the hamper today.
I think you have won every single hamper in the world there is to win. I think it should be yours. Kiran, you are the most fantastic person in the world.
Like seriously, I think she's the best person to kick this off with
Even though
because the energy is amazing.
I know both the girls well, but you know,
But yeah, those dresses
Excellent.
are unforgivable.
yeah, the popular dresses.
अच्छा जी, we've almost come to an end of this. So आखिरी एक segment है very quickly. Kiran, you're an actor, you're fantastic, you're talented. हम कुछ impromptu situations देंगे आपको. We want you to act them out. The alternative to what they actually are. So you've seen Bin Roy, Mahira's film.
Yeah.
माहिरा
Yes.
का एक फेमस डायलॉग है उस फिल्म में कि मैं जानती हूँ उसे क्या पसंद है. She's talking about her love interest, A.K. Humayun. ऐसे मैं जानती हूँ. And she goes on this monologue where you know उसको ये भी पसंद है, उसको वो भी पसंद है. I would want you to do this, Kiran, but for your pet. कोई कुत्ता या बिल्ली है? Do you have a pet?
No, I don't, but yeah.
But yeah, I would want you to do a monologue for your pet.
अच्छा, माहिरा बन के ना. हाँ.
माहिरा बन के please.
मैं जानती हूँ उसको ना, उसको चिकन बहुत पसंद है. टपक के मेरी गोदी में भी बैठ जाता है, पता है ना. उसको मुझसे बहुत मोहब्बत है और मुझे भी बहुत मोहब्बत है. वो कौन है आपको पता है? वो मेरा कुत्ता है.
उसकी बाकियों की भी वही निकालते हैं. But let's not comment on that.
Yes, Myra, I love you, but guys,
That was
मेरे
phenomenal.
वापस भी लोगों को मिलना है.
Mahira as Kiran from Humsafar. This is my favorite, like one of her favorite, you know, sort of meme-worthy roles that she's done was Kiran. Very powerful role in itself, but बहुत ही उसका मजाक उड़ा internet पे due to various reasons. Imagine you're Kiran, you're shopping with your mother-in-law, and
The mother-in-law who hates you, by the way.
What? Kiran is very
Kiran is a docile, weak, you know, very doormat variety. और वो हर चीज पे बेचारी फ्लस्टर हो जाती है. And just to give you a little clue, किरण हर बात पे बहुत bewildered होके कहती है, मम्मी जी ये आप क्या कह रही हैं? You know, she's just aghast as to how this woman can suggest one such thing. So Kiran's mother-in-law is shopping, and mother-in-law perhaps picks up this gorgeous dress and says, मैं चाहती हूँ तुम आज जब मेरा बेटा घर आए तो ये ड्रेस पहन कर जाओ. How does Mahira respond?
Acha. I haven't seen the drama pura, so I don't know, but and it has to be funny, right?
Yeah.
God, guys.
Sorry.
Acha. हाँ. मम्मी जी, ये किसका है? अरमानी? नहीं, मैं तो सिर्फ एली साफ पहनती हूँ. मम्मी जी सुने ना. अच्छा चले मैं ले लेती हूँ. रात को आप मेरे कमरे के बाहर आके मेरी एक तस्वीर जरूर खींच लीजिएगा. चले अगले दिन इंस्टाग्राम पे तो लगानी है. ठीक है. I guess that
love it. This one's a pro. Aakhri situation before we sign out, guys, is Kiran, have you seen Devdas?
God, man. Yes.
It is my favorite movie of all time. Can I just say?
It's my favorite.
What a film. Paro.
Jazid here will play Devdas, who is, as we all know, Sharabi or completely out of his mind. Actually, Ramzan worthy content bhi hona chahiye tha. I'm so sorry, guys. We all know it is what it is, right?
Yeah,
so
I have my plastic bottle from Turkey.
So Dave is in his study and he's pacing around. Paro uske paas aayi hai, and you're Paro, Kiran, and you're trying to, and this is Paro 2.0. So Paro is trying to tell Dave कि तुम एक toxic आदमी हो.
Which it was, by the way. I think it has to be one of the most toxic relationships of all time.
हाँ मतलब somebody needs to address this, no?
तुम लोग ये बैठ के क्या बनाते रहे हो? हाँ,
सोचो हम कितने वेले थे इस क्वारंटीन में.
Oh my God. All right.
So go, Dev.
चलो.
Do I start?
Yes.
देव,
Okay.
देव, देखो मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाई हूँ. तुम्हारा TCS का पार्सल, तुम्हारा TCS का पार्सल देव मेरे घर आ गया था, तो मैं लेकर आई हूँ.
पारो, तुम्हारे घर में और मेरे घर में अब क्या फर्क है?
क्यों देव? मेरे घर में और तुम्हारे घर में जमीन आसमान का फर्क है, पूरी एक गली का फर्क है. देव कैसी बातें कर रहे हो?
पारो, मैं और
मुझे
तुम
5
अब
मिनट
एक
लगे
हैं.
तुम्हारे यहाँ.
मैं और तुम एक है पारो, एक.
I love how Jhanvi, you also went into character.
Yeah, dude, obviously I had to. It's my favorite character.
हाँ, देव,
मेरा टाइम आएगा.
टॉक्सिक आदमी हो कि तुम्हें ये भी एहसास न हुआ कि जो मैं 200 कैलोरीज बर्न करके यहाँ आई हूँ तुम्हारे लिए, तुम्हें उसका एहसास भी नहीं है. माफी मांगो तुम, वरना मैं TCS का पार्सल वापस ले जाऊंगी.
ले जा सकती हो तो ले जाओ.
वाह जी
वाह, good boy.
तुम हो ना पारो यहाँ पे, तुम्हारी.
Dave, you toxic man.
Yes. But thank you so much. Thank you so much for that, Kiran.
I think we've effectively done this for an hour today, Kiran. Bless you. Thank you so much for being such a good sport. For humoring us and entertaining all of us, including our audience today. It was fantastic.
And the audience liked us, and yeah, so thank you so much. I hope they did. And all the best for the next future. All these.
Thank you, Kiran. We'll have you again, huh? You're fun.
Yeah, Kiran, thank you. Honestly, thank you so much for doing this, and thank you for kickstarting the show with us.
Thank you so much, Kiran.
But thank you so much, and to all of our viewers, we're really excited to be hosting the show again on next Sunday with another exciting celebrity. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.
See ya. Khuda Hafiz.
Bye. Bye. Khuda Hafiz. Thank you, Kiran. Bye.
See ya. Bye.
Bye. Bye.